I don't want anybody to put me inside one box where I actually know the inside, where my leg too long to even may break and enter. No. I don't want me anybody commode the horn for unicorn just because you dey fear horn, you want to turn out to horse. I be unicorn, just leave the horn for my head. Just leave the horn.
You don't get anything to do with your sexuality.
Oh no, it doesn't have anything to do with my sexuality.
Okay, so like you like men.
I mean,
we belong to this school of thought. You know, I don't see some of your videos where they talk about, you know, you wanting to be unapologetic, you know.
Yeah.
And so, and what our parents went through, our mothers went through, you know, and all of those kind of people. So, yeah. So, you are straight is what you're trying to tell us.
Am I straight?
Trust me, sometimes when I listen to your songs, I don't hear friends who will say, sometimes when I listen to this girl song, they make me, I feel like, shit, I did doubt my sexuality.
I did straight. Straight,
like you like one gender, one particular gender, or you they do like, okay, you know what, today I feel like today I don't like it.
I see. I'm 20-something years old. I have the rest of my life. I don't know who I am to figure out everything that I like. So I don't want to pigeonhole myself and just say, okay, this is who I am. I like.
Then tomorrow you come and they say you lie. All of those kind of things.
Yeah, like I'm still a young person. I'm still loving my life. I'm still living my life. So I just feel like that's not important.
That is not important. Reimaginings can't happen. You don't get any female artists who don't, you know, say hi, what's up? I feel your stuff, you know. Top ones.
King Madi. Shout out to King Madi. She hit me up. She said she likes the EP. Yeah. That was really nice. Even though some people block me, but that was nice.
So tell us, what message were you trying to pass with Boss It?
So Boss It, when I enter studio for this project, I just the reason say the way people know they believe say girls feel they write all the songs. The way people know believe say the way they no believe say I write more. I just the reason say the way people know they believe say girls they capable of writing all these songs and thinking like this. I don't already notice say now like this I they think, and sometimes I they get music from different angles of different gender.
Okay.
And I always say, make I no offend people, make I just play and safe, make I just do them like this, make I just cut them down like this. You know, I always reason like that. And one of the reasons why this era too now for like that unapologetic living, like I don't want to shrink anything, I don't want to cut anything, I don't want to minimize anything, I want to give them as raw as they come to me.
And we be 89.9 Yanga FM.
Before I get the one and only Goodgirl LA, as it be so, she don't tell everybody to bad girl. That's what it means. Like everybody, right?
Insert hand gesture.
Okay.
Point it. Yeah, my point.
My point. So yeah, as she don't tell everybody to, because I didn't see people will be saying, I not be good girl, and I find myself singing the same thing. I'm like, I not be good girl again. And I'm so happy, you know, for your comeback. I'm so happy for all the songs that you put out.
Thank you.
Every single one of the song on that EP bangs. This is not even me talking as an OAP right now. Like I tell you, I don't be fan since like back to back. You get me? And I did really, really happy for your comeback. And by God's grace, you no go back again. No go enter inside. Yeah, outside. You're outside.
One thing I keep saying is you will never have to look for me.
Okay.
Yeah, you will never have to look for me from here, like straight to the top.
Straight to the top.
Straight to the top.
Yeah, definitely.
I mean, shit. Oh. I swear.
Just I get it.
That kind of thing.
That kind of thing. The album. Continue.
I was doing so amazing.
Yeah, you were doing so amazing.
I was doing so amazing. Anyways, like but like I'm happy to, you know, like for like everything, the reception, the way people they accept the music, you know. I'm really happy, man. I'm really happy. I'm excited.
Okay. So now let's talk about another song on your EP, right? I love this song, to be very honest. That's the next song I'm really going to play. I really like that one, this song. And Boss It. First of all, Boss It now very, 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 very daring song. For you to see, when I heard this song, I said, okay, I'm not going to lie, I love the song. You know when we say, some songs where we say some people go put out, people go bash them, this and that. But you go to the comment section and people are like, I'm loving this song. And like, you are bopping. And you go back and listen to the lyrics and be like, good girl, LA, did you not think of? you know when we say, when person don't see 99, you know they fear 100. When we say, you know, this time around, I let it all loose.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
And this particular
100%.
song, you know, it changed the narrative. You go come see say, it give this power as female, you know, to talk about some things, even your sexuality, whatever it is, I own up to it. If you don't like it, that's fine. You know, it is very, very daring. It fits the narrative of, I know be good girl again. You get. So tell us, what message were you trying to pass with Boss It?
So Boss It, when I enter studio for this project, I just the reason say, the way people know they believe say girls feel they write all the songs. The way people no believe say, the way they no believe say I write any more. I just the reason say, the way people know they believe say girls they capable of writing all these songs and thinking like this. I don't already notice say now like this I dey think, and sometimes I dey get music from different angles of different gender.
Okay.
And I dey always say, make I no offend people, make I just play and safe, make I just do them like this, make I just cut them down like this. You know, I dey always reason like that. And one of the reasons why this era too now for like that unapologetic living, like I don't want to shrink anything, I don't want to cut anything, I don't want to minimize anything, I want to give them as raw as they come to me. And I don't realize say when I did studio sometimes, they come my head. When I did studio sometimes, they come my head. As I dey hear cuts, I dey hear music they enter my brain direct with the lyrics and the melody. Just like how I explained to you after right bless me. It enter my brain like that. So if I dey fear now and I dey say, okay, you know, that song, if let's say it too, make I not drop am. I for not drop bless me. I for not even do early mom. I for not do any of these things where I do. So I don't realize say make I know they shrink down anymore, because the message of the whole project. So as anything they come to me, I they record them like that. And since they don't already package girls, put us inside this one box, they don't already size us up, say they don't already package us, say this be from year to year. I don't want me anybody they size me up. I don't want anybody they put me inside one box where I actually know they inside, where my leg too long to even may break and enter. No. I don't want me anybody come out the horn for unicorn just because you dey fear horn, you want to turn out to horse. I be unicorn, just leave the horn for my head. Just leave like the horn.
If I won't show up as lion tomorrow, now my business.
You understand?
Like living and not just existing.
And when they create, I know they create selfishly, like say, okay, make I talk of I won't be from no. I dey create them raw because I know say as I do them, there's how many billion people in the world. That is so many people's POVs, and the art no be for me now, for make the people see themselves inside, make them use and take live their life. So as I don't make the record carry and give you, if you be babe now you play Boss It, she don't wanna be with nobody else. Now your POV. If you be guy you play Boss It, she don't wanna be with nobody. Now your POV. Nothing concern me inside. Now music. Now you they
so
play.
It has nothing. You don't get anything to do with your sexuality.
Oh no, it doesn't have anything to do with my sexuality.
Okay, so like you like men.
I mean,
we belong to this school of thought. You know, I don't see some of your videos where they talk about, you know, you wanting to be unapologetic, you know.
Yeah.
And what our parents went through, our mothers went through,
yes.
you know, and all of those kind of
yes.
So yes. you are street is what you're trying to tell us.
Am I straight?
Trust me, sometimes when I listen to your songs, I don't hear friends who will say, sometimes when I listen to this girl song, they make me, I feel like, shit, I did doubt my sexuality.
I did straight. Straight,
like, you like one gender, one particular gender, or you they do like, okay, you know what, today I feel like, today I don't like it.
I see. I'm 20-something years old. I have the rest of my life. I don't know who I am to figure out everything that I like. So I don't want to pigeonhole myself and just say, okay, this is who I am. I like.
Then tomorrow you come and they say you lie. All of those kind of things.
Yeah, like I'm still a young person. I'm still loving my life. I'm still living my life. So I just feel like that's not important.
That is not important. I get you. I understand you. And yes, moving on. May we talk about you know, say your popsy, like you've been talking to, and I love the fact, say you don't build, I don't want to call them community, you don't build cults from your brand. Like their core people will be say that they follow, like me, like I don't know how, but I follow you for TikTok, for IG. But you get like, they follow so all the updates, and I they know say, okay, when person talk say, oh, good girl Ellie talks, I say, where she talk, she not talk. You get, so you don't build that fan base, that cult, where we say you let them in on who you are, what you do, what you do up to, why you did this way. You know, so that's why some people go feel say, oh, she don't change to this, she's doing like this, and they be like, she's all right, she's okay, let her express herself. But some other people go do people go be like, what do they do? You understand? You don't need crazy, you don't do this, now mental disorder, you understand that kind of thing. So are they really happy about that part? But you don't also talk about your father, you know, about him not wanting you to, you know, do music. Is it if I thought you just go school, you know, even if you're music school, just that 4 walls of beautiful. Look at that.
Hey, Ajay.
I know perfect. You're dropping. You know what they don't bring come inside here? Knife. Trust me. So
period.
Yeah, so period. So you don't talk about your pops right now. But now things are smooth. Things are good. Things are, you know, they don't see the light. You know, so people go they call and say, how far? I see your daughter there for TV. You know, how your relationship with your folks stay now?
I mean, we did all right. You know,
when you say you
just
right,
call their parents and children normal level.
Say how una settle am? He call you as he see the gold, or you not don't settle since?
African parents, they settle things.
Food is in my mother.
Food is in the kitchen, but I don't eat.
You don't eat. This clothes where you're not too fine, no.
Yeah.
You are still sleeping. What's wrong with you? Are you sick?
Come, there's something in your eye. No matter don't end.
Beautiful. So sometimes I feel like our African parents, they need to see results before they believe something. I don't notice them. You know, some parents, you tell them that I want to do this, I want to do this one, I want to do that one, and they give you that look of, if they never see, say it happen. Back in the days, most parents don't want our children to do music, but they don't see the Whiskey Davido. Oh, good year, you see Tiwa Savage. Okay, you can go in. You get that kind of piece. So it's really good. It's really good. And yes, I want to round off this session by saying thank you so much for coming. We have core people that love your music genuinely. This station, me, a lot of people.
Man, I really appreciate you. Like, I feel your energy. Like, I want you to know before I leave that I really appreciate you. And like people like you are rare nowadays. You know, it's a lot of fake stuff going on out here. So I really appreciate it when I meet people like you.
Thank you. Trust me, a lot of fake stuff. And I understand that thing when you talk about the industry, about female segregation and everything. And you just feel like you can't dream. Okay, so the only thing I can do is just be a banker, be this, be that. There's more, the life, you know, way above all of those kind of things. So yes, I really appreciate you come here and all of that. And I want to make you give, is there any message you want to give to your core fans, your fans? You know, people will never believe yet, you know, or fellow fast rising artists as well. Because I don't consider you a fast rising artist. I mean like an upcoming artist, because you get OT. If you say fast rising artist, most of them don't get OT. Your eye don't see 99. In fact, your eye don't see 100. I don't see like, you know, brain don't bust. I don't see nothing again where you want to show me. No other pepper where you want to show me. So waiting be your final words to your fans, your people, fast rising artists as well.
Man, I could just say, don't let anybody tell you what you feel do and what you know feel do. You understand? And even if nobody believes in you, all you actually need at the end of the day, even if nobody believes in you, or even if 1 billion people believe in you, the most important belief is the one you have in yourself. So if that one no day, nothing will actually work. So believe in yourself, lock in on your vision, and even if they don't see keep going. And even people that don't see my vision yet, I love that, because I don't want you to be a robot. You need to have a mind of your own. I want you to have a mind of your own. So when it finally clicks for you, or when you've like gotten to that place where, because sometimes like some younger girls might see my stuff and go, oh, what is that? Don't worry. Okay. When you because like there were so many people too that saw somebody like Lady Gaga when they were young, and they were like, oh, then they grew old and realized what was wrong with me? This is everything.
This is everything.
You know, so even if you don't understand what I'm doing right now, I love that. You know,
it's okay, you grow into it.
I want you to have a mind of your own. But like when like, you know, life gets to that point, when you grow to that point, when stuff, you know, just gets to that point and you're in here, it is even better because you're there for real. You know, so that's what I feel.
Not for crowd mentality.
You know, I'm so like against that.
Yes.
So I don't even want you to just, oh, now it happened, now you come. No, when you get what I'm doing, come over, you're welcome anytime. And like for like artists too, same thing. Believe in your vision. Even if they call you crazy, if they call you weird, if they say this guy, and also one thing that I'll tell artists is, don't expect the people closest to you to believe in you. Don't expect that your friend, that your guy, wait, see say when they run one or two together. Don't expect those people to believe in you. Don't expect your them to show up to your studio session to say, guy, maybe this is hard, or I feel like more. If you feel run and go this corner more, like don't expect them to give you. Just lock in. Learn, like be on YouTube more than you're on anywhere else. And if you're on TikTok, use your algorithm as a teacher. You know, structure your algorithm in a way that it teaches you, not just like for fun and jokes and all that stuff. So like learn, research, you know, believe in yourself and just do what you do, and don't rely on those external validation, because for a very long time you will not get it. Even when you're succeeding, people will not tell you, just like what happened to me.
Yes.
That, oh yeah, you're getting it right, because some people don't even want me to get them right.
True.
You
They see you as
understand?
competition.
Thank
But that
you
is like
very much.
it's a dog eat dog situation.
Thank you
here.
very
Yeah.
much. So no, it sounds cliche, but once you don't believe in yourself and you know yourself, everything don't unlock. Finish.
You don't hear everything
You
don't
understand?
lock. So
Yeah.
make una clock into that one. She don't tell una now. And yes, is there any artist that you really want to, work with that you haven't worked with?
I love Doechii. I love Rema. I love Doja Cat. You know, yeah, that kind of thing.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and I love Fola too.
Oh, well, yeah. Good guy right there. Yeah. Makes sense. Any other person? Female artist? Anybody you want to work with?
I mean, all the girls. When it comes to girls, all of them. Yeah.
But since when your reimaginings can't happen, you don't get any female artists who don't say hi, what's up? I feel your stuff, Top
yeah,
ones.
King Madi. Shout out to King Madi. She hit me up.
nice.
She said she likes the EP.
Yeah.
Yeah. That was really nice. Even though some people block me, but that was nice.
Block you?
Yep.
Because because of the whole branding or what?
I mean, immediately I announced it, I don't decide. I just noticed say some people block me. I won't say names, but yeah, that kind of thing.
Like female artists.
I just
block
want
you.
to, and actually, I just realized I never talked this thing before.
Oh,
Yeah, but I just want you now, one or two.
so female artists, top female artists block you.
That kind of thing.
This industry, you get why not you be artist.
Now I don't
What
see now
kind
why
of-
they tell my fellow artists say just looking. You understand?
You sure you do anything to the person? Maybe you don't talk about the
Nope.
person,
Nope.
comment section or anything.
Nope.
Shina, immediately after they sign, the person block you.
Yes.
Immediately after they sign, you notice
Yes,
them.
make like post down.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, una don't hear Omoisi and Unfiltered Raw here, live and direct. And
Okay,
yes,
so-
now here with the camera card, they come up for studio based on say we don't get better time with good girl Ellie herself. And please keep being a good girl. You know her definition of good girl already, so keep being a good girl.
That was my
Yes.
point. Oh my God, see why I love you. She gets it.
Like
Yeah.
just keep being a good girl. To be
Yeah.
very honest, yeah, good girl they pay.
Yeah,
keep being
like
a good girl.
like they want you to be a good girl. Okay,
Okay,
I'm gonna be there.
you have your own definition of good girl.
Look,
Stick
like
to it.
at this point, I've merged it. Good girl and bad girl means the same thing
It
now.
means the same thing
Yeah, so
now,
I've taken the
yes.
power away from that word.
From that word,
Yeah.
yes. So yes, do well to follow us on top of social media platforms as well. Yanga899 FM for Facebook, X, formerly known as Twitter, Instagram, even for TikTok, and follow me myself and I, Fayfaytalks, FayFaytalks, and follow Good Girl LA.
I am Good Girl LA everywhere. TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, even Snapchat. If you want my snap is where I do the things I don't do everywhere else. Somebody DM me say, you're a devil on TikTok, angel on Instagram. I'm like, God damn it, leave me alone.
I know that feeling, to be very honest. So guys, go check her out on top of social media platforms. And don't
Yeah.
stop streaming. See, it's hard being an artist. I can tell you for free. I know I have friends that are artists, and I can tell you that it is hard being an artist. So please support. You don't hear all the struggles. A lot of hurdles for her to get to this point.
Yes.
You understand? So please support every way that you can.
Stream
Do
the
videos.
Goodgirl EP.
Stream. See, even if she
Tag
get
me
to
on
this,
TikTok. I repost
she'll
to all the
repost.
fine girls and all the hot boys.
you get the
You
vibe.
know?
So
Yeah.
please do that. No matter how big she did, don't worry, she will repost. You
Yeah.
understand? No person know they blow finish.
Yeah.
You know they blow finish. Now
That
consistent
kind of
thing.
thing.
So please follow and keep sharing our music. So
Yeah.
moving on, we gotta go back to Besson based on say you guys
Understand?
Besson.
You have to be some.
You have to Besson.
You have to.
And we be 89.9 Yanga FM.